Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's dev stream. Let's close that down. I'm just going to go grab myself a tea, and we will get started shortly. Let's stir them into the world. The top of Test Man's head. Classic. Alright, we're going to start off with probably the easiest thing first, and that's the gambling bag of IIIs.
I did post on the forum that that's what we were going to go with.
Oh yeah? Okay, yeah. That's cool. I just need to know the last item ID. That is not it. Where is it? It's somewhere in the 500,000s. Oh, there we go. Somewhere around here. Is that it? Greater than or equal to that number. Oh, no, there's definitely stuff after that. Oh, that's all the synth stuff. Hold on. No, that's not right. There's a big gap. Perfect. That'll work. So let's just dupe this giant bag here. Oh, shut up. We know. And it's going to be 502728. Bag of III. That works. Alright, let's pull it up over here. Wrong field. Bear with me. I haven't had any tea yet. We're starting off today with creating the bag of III that will give you a random amount between 80 and 120. So there's the bag of III. It's potion. It already has the script attached. So let's bring up the script, which is here. No, we know it's ID. We're doing the easy stuff first. This should go quick. So it's 502728. This is the scripting, how it turned out to actually work. Okay, we're not giving random plat, we're giving random III. And it's between 80 and 120. Okay, but we want to award it directly into your IPQ will create items in the missing ID slots if you need it. Oh no, mine does too. I do it this way. It's easier for me. I have certain item IDs.
for specific things.
Yeah, certain ID ranges for specific things. So I don't like the auto and incrementing. Doesn't work for me.
Irritating.
Yeah, it's irritating. Okay, so hold on. Udin does that. I already have the scripting, so why? No, Udin doesn't do that. He takes money.
No, to reward it directly too.
Yeah, I'll just grab Badass.
Yeah, Badass will have it.
Guild lobby. Badass. Zoom. Right there. We'll just copy his words too. You have received. Okay, we want to give random, not 5. We want to report that we gave that random. And there, that's done. As simple as that. That item now does that. Beautiful. Like I said, easy stuff first. I think that's everything I need to do there. Oh, we want to make the bag no drop, so you can't hand them out to people. What else? Has a charge, script file, yeah. I'll change this. Change the lore. I seem to be spilling out. And it already has the proper click effect. It says Boo Boo made it. Yeah, whatever. Alright, so that's done. Okay, the next thing was the armor, and I was just gonna dupe the black armor. I think I have some on me. What's it called? Black Heroic. Should be able to find it just from that. Name Black Heroic. There we go. Oh, that's funny that they're not all in the same consecutive numbers. Boopoo, you do weird things when you make items. It's all good.
Yeah, I put all the robes there. I recall putting the robes there.
That's fine. Ooh, do the same thing over here.
It was because you added a whole bunch of items after those ones. We didn't do the robes right away.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, the robes came much later.
Oh, that's right.
We couldn't find the
that's right.
correct heroic ID for them.
Mm-hmm.
It was actually a player that found them and requested those.
Hold on. What was that number?
502.
502729 is the next one. So we'll just start with this one. Doop. Really wish it would do that. What was it? 502729. Just call it blank. Or invisible. What do you think sounds better? Blank or invisible? Invisible robe ornament? That kind of makes it sound like you're not wearing anything. You are.
I don't know. I haven't decided on a name.
I'll just go with blank for now. It's fine. Shut up. 502730. Blank. Oh, there, that's the thing. 502731. Blank. I don't think so. 502 732. Oh, I can't spell. Blanak. Yes. Perfect. Oh, I should have took out that it says robe. Oops. We can fix that. Let's just get them in first. Whoops. Blank. Okay, they exist. Let's bring them up over here. That's probably all I need to find them. Oh no, there's other things, but there they are. Let's see, blank robe.
Ethereal adornment.
Other stuff. Ethereal adornment. I like that. That's kind of a cool name. I don't think I'll unornament. Blank chest unornament.
No.
No, that sounds terrible. I love it.
Who's offering suggestions there?
Scrampamus. No idea who that is in game. It's all good.
How about concealed or covert?
No, that doesn't sound right at all.
It's unseeable.
That's silly. They're staying blank robe right there now, so I can just find them. Okay. We need to take some shit off of these. Does that field even exist in PEQ? I don't think
Which
it does.
field?
Heroic. No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't. It has to be done on the table.
I gotta do it over here. Heroic. Where are you? Hero's Forge model. There it is. So we zero those out. Boom. Blank armor. Pretty sure that's all we need to do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that was easy. Those exist. Ruckus. Of course, they're terrible. I kind of like the unornament a little bit, but I don't know. I don't think it fits.
The unornament ornament is not going to.
No. Instead of ornament on the end, unornament, but it's still an ornament technically. It just doesn't. It doesn't have a graphic. That's all. Okay, whatever. That's done anyway, so we don't have to do anything further on that. Let's just close the items table for now. Okay, back to test man. What is up, my dude? Just make sure you're working. Yep, he told me. He ate it. He likes it. I don't think. Right. Okay, so that works, which is good. It's just mine. See, I want him to delete that. Perfect. Okay, we're starting clean. And I already wrote some of this stuff earlier. Yesterday. Where did I put it? I think it's actually on my desktop. There it is. Okay, we want to take this whole script. Whoops. No, I want that. Load 2. Where are you? Okay, I want this whole thing over here. And then we can just have it here. Let's put it beside what we're working on. And then I don't need this window. Perfect. A very merry ornament to you, to you.
You really only need to make one, and it can go in every slot, by the way.
No, because I want it specific to the slot.
But it won't matter.
What do you mean?
Well,
Yeah, it will.
it's not changing anything.
It doesn't matter. It'll matter down the road with
Okay.
other plans.
Okay.
Other plans, woman. Other plans.
Fine.
All right. So, oh, hold on. Hold on. I needed something else from here. Where's that not? Hold on a sec. I need to think. That's not what I need. What was the last thing we were doing that was writing to a table?
I don't.
Maybe looking at the tables will spark my memory. I mean, I could just look at the leaderboard scripting, I guess. Let's look at that. Leaderboards. Okay, so this is something I'm going to need. Start doing that after this. Oh, this is written in a weird way. Well, that's not quite what I'm looking for. I'll take that. I'm gonna need that. So right now I'm just trying to remember the best way to do this. I'm trying to write from in-game information directly to this table over here. Where is it? This one. Let's put that there. Shrink it down a little. Okay. So that's not what I need. I want the hardcore. This is pretty much what I need right here. Let's just copy that. And just do it all that way. We'll just change it all. That's cheap. We're going to uncomment all these. Okay. So what do we need? We need to get the... I don't want to select. I need to insert. See, that's not quite what I'm after. Didn't I write something down here? No, it wasn't there. It was up here. Ah, here. Yes, I was preparing it. So this is what we want to prepare. No, where is it? Oh, this is totally formatted differently. Hold on. Let's just paste this down here because this is what I want to do. So we're going to take this, which looks wrong, but it's fine. We'll put that here. Come on, we don't want all this jazz. Why is it? I don't think we need that. I don't need to define that. This just looks terrible, not capitalized. That's better. I don't think we need those backticks. Okay, so that's the query I want to insert into. Now we just need to get the whole thing from, what is this called? I don't think I need a where clause in there. Okay, well, let's see what happens. I'm not very good with SQL. So it's trial and error here this morning. Okay, well.
We have a panicked necro here.
Panicked necro? Okay,
Yeah.
that obviously didn't work. Why?
Last night on Twitch, you guys mentioned a couple spell changes. Was it necrovirals by chance? I just came back to my Pally Necro from prestiging and noticed a big drop off on dot damage. I'm wondering if it was the change or I just didn't put my tunes back together properly after the prestige.
You didn't put your tunes back together properly.
You didn't put your tunes back together properly. We did not change virals.
No, that would be a massive change that we would definitely post in the boards about. Okay, so where did we make it to? We made it to here. We selected everything, the row, right? Okay, that worked. My character ID should be this. but I don't need to grab that. This is the thing I was struggling with yesterday. I haven't done a lot of database connections. Only a handful. So let's go. There's another. Gotta find the right example. Just selecting everything there. Let's look at Master of Time. He does some good stuff. Down here. Oh, he does it here. Global time left. Yes, this will work. Connecting, selecting. Wait, I'm missing the connect. Well, no shit, it didn't work. Derp. Oops, not that one. Was I looking at master? There. This. Derp. Kind of hard to connect if you don't actually connect. Let's just try that. Hi, sweetheart. Look at that. That didn't populate though. I see, it's not interesting. What's up?
We got a new record of bells.
Wow. All right. That's cool. All right. Well, I obviously didn't insert properly because it's not getting my.
Awesome.
Didn't get my character ID because it's defining it weird here. So hardcore gets your character ID. No, it gets it from there. That's not good. I don't think I need to. What did it say? No. So that I don't need that. just forget commas. Oh, I should probably give myself more of those. Bring on the good stuff. What good stuff? Just bring on the working. So I can move on from the boring part. Oh, we're closer. Got my player ID, okay. Alright, that's something. Still nothing there though. Okay, so I guess we need to define the ID. We need to do
How's your tea doing?
if we go select max ID +1. No, that's an equal. Plus, oops. +1. So that it goes to the next ID rather than overwriting the previous. That should work, right?
I would assume so.
I don't know. I'm guessing, man. Is that a shield I see there? A shield? A shield. This? Oh, just a ornamented shield. Did I reload? Let's make sure. Ooh, thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Okay, so that didn't quite work. Seeing my character ID, which is good. It's not getting the item ID. Oh, geez, there's an error. There we go. Probably not putting them in because of that error. But this didn't work. Maybe we don't have to define values since we're selecting. Let's try that. Oh, okay. It saw the item ID, my character ID, and this doesn't seem to be working. No. Oh, I thought that would work. What am I missing? Maybe, no, it seems to already be a string. I mean, we're getting closer. Maybe we'll try that. I don't think that made a difference. No. Still doing that. It's definitely not populating yet. Okay, what if we, instead of selecting that, what if we just do the values again with that statement? I don't think that worked either. Can I not do that? Do I have to set that as a variable? Is that a thing? Let's find out. Say max ID equal this. Oop. Grab max ID. give her some ticks. Oops, why didn't that work? There we go. How about that? Nope, that didn't work at all. Okay. Maybe if we define this as a string up here. How about now? How about now? Shields are not considered armor in this case. It'll only be the feet, hands, legs, wrists, arm, chest, and head. Did I reload? Probably did. Let's do it again. Oh, it's just running it as that again. Okay. How do we make it auto increment? Help me, Stack Overflow. Well, the table's already set up to do that. How do I do it in line? Nope, that doesn't help me at all. Well, this one. Sorry, we're learning as we go here. Yes, we already created tables. Okay, here we go. Next val. Ah, maybe this is what we need. Maybe that's the trick. Do next val ID. And we'll put this one in ticks. Reload that. Give myself some more items. Welcome to today's stream, Learning with Sturm. It still didn't work. Why not? Why won't you work? It is definitely called ID. It's definitely not working. Player ID, item ID, yeah. These two work. This one doesn't. How about we just take this whole little statement? Instead of doing this, we'll do this. Right? That's how it's set up. Seems to be. Trial and error. It still doesn't fucking work. Blah, he says. Blah. Damn it. Definitely still not working. Okay. I mean, we're close, right? We just need to auto increment this one fucking value and everything's kosher. Oh, this is saying I need to create a sequence. I don't have to do that. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, the table already does that. No, it's not helpful. Oh, I don't have to mention the insert value for it. Okay. Well, let's try that again. Now that the rest is working, maybe that's what I'm messing up. Maybe we don't have to mention it at all. Okay. Ah! Oh, it worked! It worked! Woohoo! All right, that's the hard part. It's done. Now that we have that working. Oh, that was so easy. Thank you, whatever website this is. Retool.com. You're the shit. All right, we don't need that anymore. All right, cool. We got our auto incrementing IDs. Gives me my player ID and my player, or the item I turned in. Perfect. Now we can reference that shit later in the scripting. Okay, perfect. Okay, now that that works, let's see. Now we can actually go talk to the augment master. Unfortunately, his script is named wrong, or her. To augment master. Nope. Okay, so I need to take what I just did. Oh, yeah, no, that doesn't exist anymore. I just changed its name. We close master time. We don't need bad ash. We finished the III one, but I guess I should leave that up so I can test it. Let's just bring him to the end. And move this to the other side so I can work on both at the same time. All right, so the item seems to be working, which is good. Whoops, way up here. All right, so that's what happens here. So we're going to take all of this. This isn't working. Okay, hold on. What do I got to weed out of here? Okay, so we didn't need to do this anymore. This didn't work. This is not the right format. We do need to define that, but we'll get to that. This didn't work at all, so let's just get rid of this. I'll leave that there for now. Paste that in. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so at this point, after it's run that query, we need to... No, we need to check this first. So if you've already turned in an item previously, obviously it's not going to run this stuff. So if you haven't, then it will run this. Let's indent that. Okay, so that's good. And then this will just go here, like so. So you'll get your item back because you've already turned one in, and now we don't need that down here anymore. Okay. That's good. So at this point, we need this thing to set this global. This flag needs to be set. Let's just grab a place where I'm already setting a flag right here. Why type things out when you can just copy and paste? Okay, we want to set that flag here. It only needs to have a value of 1. It doesn't need to increment. Okay, now we've got a flag that tells us we've turned in an item. All right, let's make sure that all works. Oh, actually, let's make sure the syntax is good. Syntax is good. Okay. I'm just going to create a billion fucking entries into that. Oh, yeah, okay, well, her Hail text is working. That's good to know. Work order created successfully. Sick. That should have gave me the flag. It did. That's good. That should have created the item as well. It did. Beautiful. Okay, so now I have the flag. Let's see what happens. Oh no, I should, hold on. I should write in something to write. Oh no, there already is something. She should tell me to go away. Oh, it said work order, but it gave it back and da-da-da. But it did tell me the work order was created successfully, which is not okay. So why did it do that? Why would it do that? Why is it telling me that? Oh, I don't need duplicates of that. Oh wait, what's going on? Oh my, I have another. Oh, that one's obviously erroneous. Why is it telling me I created a work order? Wow, no. Oh, because right here. Oh man, this is. That didn't actually run, did it? Probably did. Let's find out. It probably doesn't work anyways. Ah, it does work. Look at that. All right. It didn't put the ID in though. It's probably because, okay, because it's trying to write in new OG ID, new OG. New OG ID would just be the item you handed in, which is item 1. Okay, but I don't want it to actually do any of that. Any of that. What's not supposed to run that unless you hand in platinum? Why is it doing that? Right? Because that's all within that. Yeah, or, Well, that's weird. Huh. Okay, anyways. So now that we've handed it in, what happens? She says blah blah blah. I'm the ornamentation master. Will it show me? No. May redeem. Tells me to go away. It only flagged that one thing. Okay, so what do I need to do here? I don't know why it's running this. It shouldn't. Platinum. Do I need to define platinum? Woot! Yeah, that was a while ago. No, platinum should be a pre-exported variable. Hold on. Let me just bring up the cheat sheet. Platinum. Yeah, platinum is a pre-exported variable. It should be fine. So that shouldn't be running unless I pay her. And this closes out there. This all worked. What happens if I give her something that's not? Yeah, sure. Oh, we already did this. She gave it back. No, she ate it. She ate it. Oh, we're not working on that one anymore. She ate it. Which makes sense. She's not. Well, no. I guess that doesn't really make sense. She should give it back, right? Because I have this global. Oh, wait. I haven't. Yeah, her global's probably not even turned on. What's her ID? 068. Oh, globals are turned on. Okay. Huh. That's funny. No. What's this? I'm just gonna keep feeding her things. Here, eat this. That shouldn't be running. Let's see what happens if I give her the platinum. Then she stares at me like an idiot. Maybe it's because the cost isn't defined. I think stats menu. So I think at this point, after you hand in the item, oops, here, it gives you that global. It's supposed to give you the stats menu that I made previously. Let's just see if that works. Helps if I reload the script. Oh. Oh no, because I have that stupid global. Let's fix that. This one. I'm actually going to put it on him. But if we hail him, he'll just delete. Okay, so I should no longer have that anymore. Right. Okay, perfect. Okay, Chicky Poo. Hand this in. What? What did I mess up? I messed something up fierce. I should create a work order for that. That's not good. What's going on over here? Oh no, she's not doing that, but she is doing this. Well, at least that's working now. What did I mess up? All I did was add in this global, which she's now no longer reading. Can I not do this? Why not? Is it? Syntax is fine. So she's not reading the else, which doesn't make any sense. She should read that no matter what, right? So I don't have that global. Okay, hold on. Let's just take this. That is not what I meant to do. Let's just take this and we'll put it over here on this guy. So we can cut out the bottom shit and we'll slowly add things in as things start coming together. We'll just use test man. Okay, so without the rest of the
What's the problem,
gobbledygook, what is this? Yeah, let's destroy that. There you go. He does nothing, which is not good. And if we give him this, he does nothing. Shit. That's nested.
Shields, armor? No.
Yeah, no. How was your shower?
It was fantastic.
Excellent.
I feel a little bit more human now.
But it was working without this statement. Damn it. Let me just cut that out real quick and make sure I didn't mess something up. No, what the hell did I bork up? What the fuck? Is it stats menu? Oh, because stats menu doesn't exist over here. Maybe if I add it. Doesn't matter where it is.
Well, I already picked you up.
Let's get rid of some
Okay,
white
come back.
space.
Yes, come here.
Hold on.
Here's my big guy.
Let's just turn that off for a second.
Oh. You're so
So I
white,
think that's
so
what
love.
borked it up. I added that in, and then it stopped working right. We need more things. Okay, reload, buddy. Yes, I'm hailing myself. I should still have no flags. Good. Okay, hand it in. He looks at me like I'm retarded.
What do you want for brunch?
He didn't even turn my way.
That means he's not reading the script.
He is not reading his script. His syntax is okay. What the fuck? What the hell, man? There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, hold on. We'll just get rid of it. Well, we want that to happen eventually, but what the hell? What did I do? What did I screw up? Salem. This is blah 135. Perfect. That's what he's supposed to say. Okay, we give him the thing. And he doesn't work now. What the hell?
What's going on?
I don't understand what I broke. I didn't do anything different. What the fuck?
Okay.
It's the exact same I had it, right?
I don't know. I haven't been here.
What the hell?
Okay, so where does it work? And let me
Everything was working fine. And then I broke it all. I fucking broke it all. It's a skill.
Oh, now I have glasses on. I can see.
Okay, so this, like, we were generating items into the tables. Everything was good there. And now, all of a sudden, boop, nothing. I mean, we don't need this line. We can take that out. Fine, get out of here. The stats menu, screw you. Like, I didn't change any of this shit. I did not change any of that. And he's not even reading this else. Like, what the hell, dude? I don't get it. Come on, buddy. What? Chat, help me out. What did I mix? What did I fuck up? Okay, screw it. We're going back. We're going back to a time when it worked. It was before this. This worked, right? This was the state we were in when it worked. It looks exactly the same, except a little less white space. I agree. Not enough alcohol. Corpus is right. Okay, fuck. He works again. Okay. So it should, yeah, it generated. Okay. Back to square one. Let's fucking try this again. Jesus Christ. Okay, so we want to indent this. That was ridiculous. We want to... Fine, we'll steal the stats menu because that is definitely not the problem. I don't know what the hell was going on. But we're going to need that. Okay. Then down here, we want this to happen. Right? So, like so, and then we need that to end there. Okay.
Okay, I've watched you do this. Okay.
Reasonably minor changes there. I added an if conditional, fucking blah, blah, blah. No problem. Should still work. At the very least, still read the else, right?
Should.
Okay. So, here we go. He does. Okay, so that works. It did generate a new item. We're good. It did not flag me, because I don't think I set that in there yet. Nope, I didn't. But we know that worked previously, so now we're going to grab this stuff. Add that in. Okay, so now when we hand in an item, it should bring up this stats menu, which is completely wrong because I haven't changed any of it. But it should at least generate the menu. Okay, here we go. And I don't have the global right, so it should give me the global and he should give me the menu. Yes, there's the menu. He did. He added the item, which is good, and he gave me the global. Fantastic. All right, progress is being made now. All right, so the stats menu is working.
just because I came over to watch.
Yep, that's totally what it was. The 12 viewers on the stream didn't affect it at all. I needed you watching. Okay, fuck. Okay.
This works when I show up.
That works. That's good. I'm just going to keep copying and pasting the things that I wrote previously into this one at a time as we figure out that they work. Okay, so we need this to work. Hit points undefined. Oh man, there was so much stuff. Okay, maybe that's not the best way. Okay, just for giggles. After this, we're gonna add this, and we're gonna say quest. Say you gave me some flat. Sure. Reload that because that doesn't exist. Okay, we need to hail him and get rid of that global. It's gone. Oh, I should. Oh, okay, we'll check that in a second. Okay.
What's up,
So
Whitey Bud?
that all worked again. No
Where are your
problems
children?
there. He gave up. He tells me I gave him some plat. I didn't give him plat. That's a problem. Let's give him a key. Here you go, buddy. What do you say then? He tells me I gave him plat. Okay, well, this obviously doesn't work.
I don't think that's working as intended.
No, because I didn't give him plat. Why is he doing that? Like, where is this? Right? It shouldn't be doing that. That doesn't make any sense. Let's have a look at Udo real quick. As we give him plat. No, he's not looking for a variable though. Maybe that's what's messing it up. Okay, let's further define it. So we'll say if plat greater than equal to 1, we'll say if plat equal the cost. Nothing's gonna happen there right now, else, you know, give them the flat back. No. Oh yeah, we will. We'll do that, but we'll put that in there. So now it shouldn't be reading that because it's seeing it as actual number, not a variable. Let's give myself some more items. Okay, reload. All right. So I should have that flag, right? I do. Maybe I should fix that first. No, whatever. The platinum thing is important. No, not that. Let's give them something else. Here, have some greaves. I don't care. Okay, so he didn't tell me I gave him plat, which is nice. So that's good, but he did eat my item, which he's not supposed to because, you know, this is defined. Maybe I don't need to say that it's over 1. Probably doesn't matter. It's just, it's defined good enough, right? It's not gonna ever be more than 1 in the value. Anyways, but I really want him to hand back the item. Oh, that's Benji's mask. Sure, here, have this, buddy. Nope, he doesn't care. It's probably the way I'm doing this key. Something to do with that. Wait, okay. What if? Kill all that. This is what I did before and it broke it, right? What if we put it here in the else if? That makes more sense because he's looking at item 1 is not in the key. So, you know, he should probably give it back. Oh, this is going to generate a ton of text, I bet. What is this? Yeah, sure, have this. Whoa. Okay. So he said that 134 times. But he did give it back.
Did he give you only 1 back, or did he give you 130 of them again?
No, he gave me only the 1.
Okay.
So let's just turn off the text. So that doesn't happen. I somehow get the feeling that if I turn in the item that is keyed, that he's going to give it back. He fucking did. God damn it. That's no good. He did run through that, but then... shit. He just gave it back, though. Wait, he gave it back because I have that global. Because I've already turned in an item. I shouldn't have that global if I haven't turned in an item. So if I hail him, he will delete that global. Okay. And then I hand it in. He shouldn't hand it back. He didn't. Ah, sweet. Okay. But if I hand him this, he'll give it back. Yes, he does. Oh, okay. We're on to something.
Now you're getting somewhere?
Yep.
Awesome. I'm going to make sausage and egg muffins.
Ooh, yes, please. That sounds fantastic. Let's go with that. Okay. We're on to something. It's working. Okay, but wait. now that he's done that, but I've handed in an item, I have the flag, right? Yes. And if I hand in another item at this point, he's going to generate another thing into here, which is not what I want him to do. Because, see, yeah. So, now we need this again. Are they laughing at me? So, another ending.
Oh no, it will never change what the thing looks like. I won't let that happen. That's your laser sword. If you don't like the way it looks, don't use it.
Oh, no, I need an else here. Because I don't want him to do this. Okay, this is where I want him to tell me that I've already turned in an item. But, you know, don't give it back. But then this wasn't working, was it? Because I fucking just did this. Oh! No, it did, and he gave it back. But, oh shit. No, you've already turned in an item. Let's try that again. Oh! Oh my god. And it didn't generate a new thing, right? No? Yay! Yay, it's working! That's bloody genius! Okay, hold on. Let's get rid of this flag. Make sure it's gone. Yeah, okay. So we haven't changed anything. He should take it and generate, which he did, and he kept the item. Nice. It says your points are all set. I'd like to finalize these changes or discard them. Okay. I added that part in? What? Why is he saying that? Does he say that here? Yes, he does. Oh, okay, good. That's working. Fantastic. And he should have put it in here, which he did.
No, perhaps we'll add the functionality to the weapon ornaments at a later date.
It's all working how I wanted it to. This is amazing. I don't like that this came up over here. No, maybe it's good that I split it like that. No, I like that. Okay, you're not supposed to get the stats menu here. I'm fucking that up. Because he's supposed to say this. Or no. No, I'm not fucking that up.
That is the stats menu.
That is the stats menu. Okay. But okay, he's reading this else, not this. Oh, because we didn't add the unspent points yet. That's what's going on there. So let's add that in.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I took that out earlier. Okay. So we just need to do that. So gotta add the other global that's giving you unspent points. And for now, you're getting 5 unspent points. Okay, so now it should actually read this top one. Hit points, which we're not doing any of that yet. Hit points. Yeah, okay. Alright, so that should work like that. Need to hail him and get rid of that flag again.
You want one or two? I'm making two for myself.
Seems kind of like a lot. Maybe just do 3 and we'll split one. You're looking at me like I'm crazy.
I'm not making anything else. I'm making sausage and egg muffins.
Yeah,
I'm
I know.
eating two.
Okay, I guess.
Would you like one or two?
I'm not sure I can eat 2.
Oh, I know I can eat two. I'm starving.
I'm rather hungry.
Maybe Catherine will split one with you.
Yeah, just make me 2 and maybe the kid will eat the other half if I can't. Okay. Where was I? I just did something. Sorry.
Sorry, I distracted you.
You did. How dare you? Oh, it was the stats menu. Right. We're now getting the unspent points, which is perfect. Reload.
Okay, I'm making sausage.
I shouldn't have this anymore, right? Yes. Okay. We're ready. Okay. Let's try. Here we go. Boom. He didn't bring up the right stats menu. Did I get the global? I didn't. What the hell?
She's down.
Okay. Quest, set global. Everything looks fine there. Why didn't he set that one? Did I? I swear I reloaded. Okay, let's get rid of that one. Reload. Shouldn't have this anymore. Good. Hail him just to make sure. Yep. Okay, he's ready. And go. Ah, yes. Gave me the right stats menu. Perfect. Hit points are currently undefined. Why is that? Hit points. Max hit points. Global. Oh, okay. Yep. Ah, a monster. So we need to grab the training points part now. It's up here in the saves.
Oh, we still have some.
Make sure the trade is still working out. That's good. And this you should give it back. Yep. Okay. We're still good there. So delete that global. Okay, now give them this. Which should give me. Why is it not giving me the unspent points? What the fuck? It's literally right there. Oh shit, it's giving me MG. Oh, that's not right. It's supposed to be CA armor. Oh, I fucked that up.
So I bet it gave you them.
Oh, I'm sure it did. I'm sure it did. CA armor unspent points. There we go. Shit. We're gonna have to.
Delete your globals and try again.
Yeah. Where did I grab? Oh, right here. Okay, hold on. Let's just delete that as well. Because oops, my bad. Okay, that's not supposed to be MG because we're not doing that anymore. It's supposed to be this. Haha. Reload.
What you getting into?
MG
Not sure yet.
underscore.
Do you need Dad logged in?
Oh yeah. Okay, so he definitely. Where's MG unspent points? Yeah, I got 5. Okay, so that's what's going on. So let's hail him. Okay, so I shouldn't have that anymore. I shouldn't have this anymore. Okay. Okay, that was funny. So now he's setting the proper global. All should be well. This table's starting to get a little insane, so let's just kill some shit out of it. Oops. Kill these rows. Why am I not able to select the whole row?
Because you're doing it wrong.
Because I'm doing it wrong. Delete records. Bye bye. You don't want any of these records in here. Delete record. Okay. Probably don't need that one.
There you go.
Now you have access to the whole library.
Okay.
Try again. Donut Country. All right, it's installing.
What the hell is Donut Country? Donut. Oh, it's Donut
Donut
County. Country.
I'm seeing the same.
Okay, so now I should
Close
have those
enough.
2 proper goals.
Down the
I
number
do.
plate.
Okay, I got points to spend, but you didn't see that properly. Shit, what did I do there? It's getting the same global.
Donut Country sounds much better than Donut County.
Right? But you didn't pop up the right stats menu.
Oh.
It should have had the hit point plus sign, right?
Hmm.
Is this stats menu? Oh, okay, so okay, well, we changed that to be proper at least, so we should put that over here. Okay, this is how we need the platinum to work here. Let's just put that in, and we need everything here that's inside of platinum. Come out of there and be put in here. Bump that all in so it reads properly for me. Bump. Okay. So now that all happens if you pay the proper amount. Else he tells you, you know, you gave me some flat. What's the return? Uden returns platinum. Let's see. That'll work. Else he gives you some flat back. Boom. Alright. We don't need that anymore. Okay, that should solve our issues over here on this script. For the platinum, at least. So now we want all of this. Because this is working. Because I'd much rather be working within this script. Because I've got so much other stuff already written in it.
You want to turn that down a little bit? Thank you.
So that is that. So we just gotta kill all that and do this. Because we've determined that that shit works. Okay, we reload. I still have these flags, don't I? Yeah, so let's kill those. Oh, he's not. Right. Okay. So we want Testman to be the guy that just deletes our globals now at this point. Not that one. Where is it? This one. We don't want to do that anymore. Wait, he'll just say blah. That's what it is. We just say blah. That way he stops iterating through the entire list. Okay, perfect. Okay, now she should work. So we hail her. Okay, she's good. Let's make sure she's working properly. I shouldn't have anything. Good. This is not part of the key, so she should eat it. There you go. Okay. Don't give her anything that isn't part of the key. Okay, so that worked. She generated it into here. Yes, that's good. Oh, interesting. Okay, whatever. That doesn't matter. But she still didn't give me the proper stats menu, but that's okay. Everything is functioning properly. What happens if I say finalize to her? Oh, she's going to tell me the cost. Which shouldn't be anything yet, right? Yeah, total cost is 0 so far because we didn't define anything.
Yeah.
What in the hell is going on over there? This game looks weird. Dude, the honking stuff. Okay, no, I can't watch that. I'm working on this.
Yeah.
Okay, none of that matters. We need... Oh, it's really annoying that it didn't bring up the proper menu. Let's look at that. Why? Why is it not bringing up the right menu? We have this defined. I need to give myself some more items. So we're burning through these things. Okay, I give this to her. She gives it back. I'm good. I give her Benji's mask. She gives that back too, because that shit is defined right there. Okay, that's good.
Here's a little the copter on the sword and the entire can. That's so funny.
Okay, so now that that is, she's gonna tell me the cost when I hail her. Which makes sense because cost is defined. But I wanted to bring up, I have unspent points, so I wanted to bring up this menu as well.
Yeah.
Let's just put that in there. I don't think I need this else if at all. So now when I hail her, she should tell me this. And give me the stats menu. Ooh, very nice. Okay. So actually, we should still have all the same. Oh, no, we have the cost now. That makes sense. So if we increase that, we should gain that global, which does work. Beautiful. Obviously, because it said a 1 there. So we're just going to give ourselves hit points 5. Try it again. I have no remaining. Okay, perfect. So that's all working. This value, of course, goes to 5, which it does. I have 0 unspent points now. Perfect. So that's all working. Okay, now when I hail her, she should give me the cost. Oops. She's still telling me it costs 0 because I haven't done any of that math. But so far, so good. Okay, so down here, we're not going to bring up the stats menu because it didn't function properly. But we're going to tell the player right here, right here. She doesn't need to tell you what item you turned in. You hopefully know what item you turned in. I have accepted your. Oh, I should have kept the var link. Let's just redo it.
Kayla!
Do I need to? Yeah, no, I need to.
Catherine? Yours is your
Item 1. I've accepted your item. Please hail me to.
That game looks familiar.
No. Yeah, just for now. Please hail me to continue. I'll fix that to be something else later. That'll be a say link later that you click. Okay, so I have all these things.
Catherine. You got one on the
Spending 5 hit points, which is good.
They're just eating.
So this is the problem now. So we're not selecting. We haven't generated anything into that. Because item box is blank still, yep. Okay, so. She remembers that.
Great delivery! They're just eating this now.
Huh? Where am I in this? Oh, I'm in the bottom. Dirt. That's not where I want to be. Up here, this is where all the math is. Ah, okay. So I need to finalize. Ah, there we go. Now it's going to be 1,300 platinum for 5 hit points. Interesting. Okay, well, it's good to know that all works. And I can no longer think straight because the smell of the food cooking is killing me slowly. I'm so hungry now. Oh my god.
Well, then just stop being hungry.
Oh, it's done. Huzzah.
Here's yours.
Oh, thank you. All right. Time out.
This is my seat now.
Yes, that's why I put your food there. I figured you'd just sit there. I had stuff. in front of
Okay,
us.
so I've already written the discard, which is this. This isn't the way we're doing that anymore. It should be connect. It's like DBH.
I got another fun fact. Fun fact. 99% of what your bag is there. 1%.
What, where ID? No, that's not right. Where player ID? Yes, layer ID. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay. So we're working in the discard, but I need the connect. Because we need to do that here. And then
Those are the red wings go.
it's not this.
Where did everyone
This.
go? They're in the hole. Where's my favorite copy of this? Oh, go.
Okay. But we don't want to select, we want to delete.
Where did my neighbors go? In the hole. I don't just be worried about that guy in space on the first. But it's in the hole.
I'm just waiting on mine now.
Itemize.
Yeah.
Put it in. That should. Oh. Down here. But that's not going to work. We need to. We need to give that item from this. Row 2. Yep. So technically that should work,
Thank you.
I think.
Thank you.
Because it's going to select everything from
That hurts now.
Why?
here, where the ID is mine. Because theoretically you would only have one item in here. That shouldn't be possible to have two. Right?
If you swallowed it whole, we did not. You
If it is, we'll fix that. Okay.
But I'm
And that should get rid of all of these glows, right? So let's see. Cost, yes. Unspent points, yes. Hit points, you bet. Item turned in.
None.
The only one I don't see there,
No.
so
I'm not willing to fight birds for chips.
add that in.
Once the birds have it, that's done. I'm done. It's okay. They can have it. They can have it.
Okay.
But what if the birds are human?
So
No.
Humans and bird costumes.
it's going to connect to the database. It's going to
I am not
select
fighting
the
birds
row
of
that
any type.
is my character
Chips.
ID. It's going to get the item that was turned in and give it back. It's going to delete that global.
Sure.
No, we don't need to do that at all anymore because we're not setting a global for that. That was
Good.
failed
Good
testing
thumbs
from
up.
the other day that didn't work out. Okay, then it's going to go back. Oh, it's going to go back in, which connect is already defined up there, so I don't need to define it again. And it's going to go back into that same one, delete the line.
I think he wants it.
Okay, that's going to execute, and then it's going to delete all your globals, fully resetting everything after you've returned the item. Okay, so that looks good.
Maybe.
So now, if I say discard, it gave it back,
1% of the Japan.
which is fantastic. And it should have killed all these globals, which it did. Sweet. And it should have deleted this row. It didn't. Shit. Okay. Maybe I don't need this.
I don't.
Let's just delete
I don't
from.
know what your bags are made out of, but mine are not made out of chips and air.
Okay.
Right inside the bags.
Oh, then you mean
Man,
1%
we're getting there.
of the content of a chip bag.
So now when we discard, of course it's going to give it to me
Not-
again because it's still in the table technically.
1%
So now it shouldn't be.
chip.
Yes! Aha! Victory!
I'm just.
And I of
I'm
course
just
don't have
pointing
any of
out the
these because
word.
that ran
The
perfectly.
bag is now made of
So
air.
that works perfect. Okay, so now you get your item back
Uh-huh.
for whatever item it was that you had handed in
Enough.
and you were working on. Nice. Okay.
And the chips are made of plastic.
Ha. Ha ha. Ha ha ha. Alright, so up here. I still have not had a bite of this sandwich because it's so hot.
What would you do?
Right here we need to connect again. I mean, I'm just gonna connect way up here. Define that so that we can
I wouldn't put left
grab
foot
it
in
here,
left, that's for sure.
prepare that.
Go ahead and move this piece to the free.
That'll give me everything there.
Here.
Oh, I don't want to select from items. I want to select from items. Oh,
Does plastic dissolve
right? No,
in water?
that's not.
You couldn't go shopping for it.
No, it should be right from items.
Well, then you can't live in a rainforest.
But this isn't going to work because we need to get this
What
stuff.
if your car is made of plastic?
We need this.
You did it.
Because we need to find that item because we're not just relying on that particular thing, and then we want it to be this. Because, you know, if you're in the middle of creating your augment and you crash or you accidentally zone somewhere else, you want it to be able to come back and continue and not just forget that you handed in an item in the first place. Which is totally what would happen if I left it the way it was. So that looks good now. We're connecting. So it's getting it, yeah. And that is increasing the tier, which is good. This is all my math, which is fine. And then it's
How was your
setting
dinner
cost.
last night?
Okay, beautiful. That looks
We didn't see
good.
Yeah, no, it's really a.
Nothing should be generating here yet, right? Okay, everything's cleared. Okay, back to square one. So when we hail her, she should tell us, "Greetings, Stern, blah, blah, blah." Perfect. Okay. So
Okay.
I don't have any orders,
And you slept in the closet last night? No.
and I can't
You
redeem
gave up after a
anything.
while?
Nothing returned. Perfect. Okay.
Why'd you grab pillows?
So
and
we
go to the
fully
closet?
reset. Okay, I'm going to eat this sandwich.
So that if I sat on one of the ladybugs,
Oh my god,
yeah, big.
that's delicious. Looks like a really nice day out there. You guys going to go to the park after lunch?
They are.
Oh,
Because we
you've
don't have a choice.
you've been told. Mmm.
Don't look at me like that.
Bear with me, guys. I gotta eat this.
I mean, am I wrong? We don't really have a choice in the matter.
Look at the weather.
This is going really well,
It's
though.
horrible out there.
Uh-huh.
Don't like it.
I know the sun is shining.
It's all
It
coming
looks
together.
beautiful.
I think I've hit all the difficult parts now.
You're not gonna be. No.
This is what I want to go on.
Now it's just busy work.
I will only go outside if it's snowing.
I will only
So-
voluntarily go outside.
I currently have no flags. Nothing's happening, right?
Fake snow.
Everything's ready.
Fill it up with water and just dump it on the ground.
Okay. So we hand in my item.
What?
She says, "I accepted your thing. Hail me to continue." We hail.
Oh, thank you.
Says, "Greetings." Damn it.
Why? What were your other plans?
Plain
It gave me the
Donut
proper
County.
flagging, so there's probably your hail.
Okay, well, I'm not saying you can't
Oh,
play Donut
right.
County. I'm just saying that.
Because
You
it's
need to
looking
go
for the
outside,
cost
too.
already.
There's no outside.
So that's not
Outside is
right.
a
It should
lie.
be looking for
It does not
for
exist.
this.
Cake is a lie. There is no outside.
Which means that as soon as you're done eating, you need to
So-
go get yourself to rest.
Basically, this doesn't need to happen. She should just bring up the stats menu at
Dude!
that point.
Don't knock off the picture!
We'll change what she says here.
Oh, I'm gonna knock on that. You really tried, huh?
He went crazy and attacked
Yes.
something on the wall. I think it was a light.
Okay, so we don't need that yet. We're just getting the stats menu. Does she need to say anything at this point?
Entirely streamlined.
Yeah, it would be-
wasn't working yesterday. So I sat there with like a good hour with Crypt and Azure because we had to set up for the lore stream that we were doing. But because my stream was
Please.
Cold food.
Choose which
That's my turn.
stats you would like to allocate to the
Yeah, because we weren't able to because we weren't able to
ornament.
start streaming until I
Diction.
actually was ready. So we just ended up sitting there for an hour, filling with Streamlabs before giving up and moving to OBS and just exporting my entire setup to it. Which was
Or
actually
discard the
faster in the
changes to
long
have
run,
your
since
item
all I had to
returned.
do was
Perfect, okay.
take the export
And then
of
it
my
brings up the
settings from
stats menu.
Streamlabs, take my import it into OBS,
So have
and then I'm
unspent
done.
points.
And
Okay,
adjust
so
the
now-
couple things that were broken.
If you
It
have
wasn't that
a
hard. I just didn't want to
cost set. Whoops, what did I? Oh no, whoops.
Did you get enough food
Shit.
yet?
So I've now moved
So
my
if you
entire
have a
setup to OBS,
cost
which is
set,
significantly
so-
less laggy, which I don't know why I
Let's just grab that.
didn't do that earlier. It's very.
I should have left it there.
Oh, no, but,
I didn't realize I was
no,
gonna
so I've
need
imported
it.
all my settings over and
Okay,
so
what?
next time
Fine. Just
Awesome.
everything works
good
there.
enough. Doesn't matter.
Actually, it works a lot better now because like I can actually like
We'll get the global ID
it
in a
just works a lot
sec.
better. It's like less laggy. Like for some reason it's less laggy. I think it's because it like, has less like options and stuff on the screen. at all times.
Okay.
That's the global.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it's like last night.
So
It's working on.
whoops.
Good.
Cost equals.
The only problem was at the very beginning, we forgot to import my audio into
Get
it.
global.
So like for like a good like chunk
The
until
one that's
like
above.
someone in chat told me that they couldn't hear the audio. There was just no audio for like a good like minute. It was like, oh wait, ooh, that's not
And
good.
so
Give me a sec there. Oh,
Yeah.
no, that makes sense. And then we'll do a whisper here. Plug in
can't hear. And I was like, oh no. And, like,
Okay.
whisper.
so I import my audio file first, so I can explain that I
She
used
should
OBS
tell you
and that
what it
like
costs,
it's a new
which is
setup.
down here.
So I didn't realize I had to import the audio. And then I was like, okay, hold on, I'm gonna try and get my Discord audio in. So I get my Discord audio in. So you now hear Cryptid, who was trying to talk to like, who was one of the first people to realize like, hey, audio
Right.
gone.
That should work.
Audio not here.
I should have made sure the
Not
first part
found.
worked before I moved
Please
on, but
help. I was like, okay, I think it's all
ah
working.
yes, here we go. Please
Mhm.
choose
You
which
guys
stat
hear
you would
us
like to
now?
yeah, okay,
Okay,
so
we're
that's
good.
all working.
We're continuing with the stream. I was like, okay, we're good
We
now.
should have an item in here, which we
Okay, everyone
do.
check
Nothing
here.
should be
That
populated.
is
These, yeah.
fantastic news. Let's continue.
Awesome.
Continuing the stream.
Cool. Okay. So
Pretending that I totally didn't break my entire
we've
audio
already seen that
setup.
that works.
It's like, I broke stuff. I'm just going to use a new software because I know how to import my overlay. It's like, that's wonderful.
Why is that not working?
My overlay actually looked pretty good, so it's very.
Stats menu, where are you?
Be able to import it.
Oh, unspent points. Oh, because it's not defined.
Because what it is, right, is my thing is like I have the follow box along with the name on top of who was last followed. Beside that, we have like the alert box in the lower right hand side.
Because you want to know how much or how many points you still have to spend, right?
They look like they're dry.
No, wrong button. Why is my mouse going really slow all of a sudden?
Oh.
Turn it up.
And
That's
then
better.
on top, and then the upper right hand corner, we have the chat box. So I can see the chat line on my
Okay, so it should bring it up. Boom. And tell me, yeah, now it tells me how many points I got left.
So I just sort of sat there and I was staring at it. I was like, man, my everything looks good again. Let's go.
Okay, so we'll spend these
I'll be right
points.
back, stream. It's just like
You
image
don't
of
have any
another
more.
portal.
At this
It's like
point,
lazy be right back, stream. But I just have it because I was lazy.
Okay.
I was like, I need to be right back, stream. Time to just import a random one. Let's go.
she's gonna tell me that. Okay, so I don't want to
Yeah,
have
this
to
looks like a
hit
alert.
her again at that point.
I moved on. It was like, we're starting Zoom screen. However, it's just like a GIF of like Minecraft.
When she
trees
says
and,
this,
like, stuff moving in the wind, and it's
you have no
very
more
weird.
points.
Okay.
It's like a really nice flower.
Where did she say that?
But I just have text over everything. I'm like text.
Right here.
Yes.
As you can see, there's an issue here with this container.
Uh-huh.
That's when I want her to say this. Automatically.
Chat was like, we cannot hear audio. I'm like, oh shoot. I forgot to put the audio in.
So you're going to see the stats menu again. Oh. And she's going to tell you, you know, you have no more. You can either discard or finalize at that
Sometimes
point.
like whole
So
thing,
where
like
does
your
she
mic is
say
muted,
that?
and then I realized
Points are
I
all
took a
set
step back.
right
I'm like,
here.
I'm in a new setup.
Oh, she's
And I
just going to
brought the
automatically
audio
say
in.
that.
Shoot,
It's going
I'm
to bring
being
up the
serious
stats
this
menu
time.
again.
Hold
Okay,
on.
that's even better. Okay.
I just have my chat and it's just terrible people. And
Maybe it
just
should
want
show
to
up
everything
under
they see
there
on the
rather
server.
than be a whisper over
It's
here.
just, it's just see a
It does
tree.
work,
And I go, bird,
as you can see.
climb the tree.
Then, okay, so we finalize. It's going to cost that much platinum. For reasons, we'll figure out that later. And it should be in here. It should have generated into no.
Do you want out there?
Okay, so I should have that cost, which I do.
I know you.
So let's
like
just actually
outside. I get you a harness.
give her that much money. And let's see what happens. Server crashes. Okay, it tells me the work order created successfully, which is good because I turned in the right amount of platinum. It deleted my cost, so that's no longer a thing because I don't have that anymore. It should probably go through the. It should delete everything but this. Okay, that's something to work out in a minute. So we'll hail her now. Oh, okay. So at this point, when you pay her the cash, which is here, we're going to need her to set a new global to say that you've paid. So let's do that. Paid. Oh, we're doing item 1 there again. We need to get that. Right there. It's good to see. So, don't do that. Yeah, that looks terrible. This is the item you turned in. We'll set the global after that. Okay, now you've paid. Now when you go up here and you redeem,
Voice chat's like really common.
Yeah.
So it's like
It's gonna
cat's chat, and then you have my
delete
chat
that
and just goes,
global.
oh, I see a thing, kill it, and burn it. Every time like I interact with someone, their interactions are all like, kill, 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 burn,
Clone this.
burn, murder. Can you kill them? I was like,
Where
no,
did
no, guys,
we
please.
right here.
No,
Okay.
we have an
So-
interaction. Come
Okay,
on,
so
I need
it's
to
going to
tell the
remove that
Tory.
once we
They're
redeem.
like, burn them. I'm like, no, I don't want to burn them. And they see like a tree outside. They're like,
Alright,
what's that? And I'm like,
this script is starting to get really friggin' complicated.
and they go, burn it. It's
Mm.
February. I go,
But so far so good, it's working.
Burn it. It's February.
come on.
We've gotten up to the point where you can hand in the platinum. It's a little messy, I'll fix it. I don't like that it shows up over here and the whispers will do.
So I'm just sitting there. I'm watching my chat.
We'll find the whispers. This one's fine.
You just saw this thing. You took 3 seconds to admire it.
That one's fine.
And then now you're telling me to kill it. Okay. Okay. Because like we went into Azure's cave, and this was
This
like,
one
the
right
first
here.
time that they actually got to see this
We
part
want
of the
this one
server.
to just
and their reaction is
come up as a client
because they
message.
they heard about the Christmas
It's
tree,
the
already,
same
so
as
their
these two.
interactions were still about the Christmas tree, but they go into the cave,
We'll
right?
make it
And they
different
see
color.
the cave and how like nice it is, and there's like a little pond and stuff.
What
And
is
their
this one?
immediate
Please
reaction is,
choose. Blah blah
roll a
blah.
fish. Kill Asher. Cryptid, kill Cryptid. Kill Cryptid, kill your teammate. Kill. Just, I just sit there, I'm like, guys, come on now. Guys, come on now.
Okay.
And so Kat ends up like, watching my stream at some point, like during all this. That's fine. You can say I'm sorry. During me having to take 3 bits in between the lords, so I can't burn everything I see. Guys, please, I can't burn everything on the server. Come on now. Burn the tree. No. Burn the forest. Burn the forest that Azure lives in. No. Guys, come on.
Well, they know who the evil one is, huh?
We're sitting there. I'm trying to have like a normal conversation.
Yeah,
I'm just,
2
like,
will come
in
next
the
upgrade.
background,
Let's
I
go.
hope they kill them. I'm just like, kill everybody. I'm just like, this is just high
Alright,
amounts
so at
of
this
peer
point,
pressure.
I'm just going to discard everything I've done.
Because like cat logs into my.
I should delete this.
Right?
Which is dead.
This cat's mod.
I should get rid of all of that. Which is dead.
We
Perfect.
sit down for like a good 2 seconds, and my
Okay,
chat
we fully
proceeds to
reset.
go, proceeds to continue to tell me about progress history.
Which is
Chat
awesome.
proceeds to say, "Your chat is so chaotic and just evil," and I was like, "Yeah, I know. I love my chat, but come on."
Oh my god, that was delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love my chat, but come on, guys, don't held it down a little when I'm talking. Come on, guys.
And I was right. I couldn't eat in a whole 2. 1.5 was perfect.
And I was right. I ate both.
You're a monster.
Half my chat's telling me to burn things, other
Alright.
chats freaking out about like
So we hand in the
random
item.
other things.
She accepts it.
I
She
just sit there and
writes.
I'm like, what do I do?
Tells
with
me to
you
hail
guys? And then like Cat comes in and is just telling me about how evil my chat is compared to Tori's, whose Tori's chat is like the chillest
So I
like
hail her.
chat you'll see. And
Choose
all
which
Tori's chat
stats
does is, like,
or
comment
discard.
on Tori. Mine
I have
just
5
goes,
advancement points to spend, so that's good. That all works good.
burn them
You
all.
know, your chat's a reflection of you, right?
It's so funny. It's the funniest thing, because every time my cat comes in, it's just like, wow, your
So
chat
we'll
is
spend
either
the
chaotic
points.
or just like worried
Okay,
about
no,
something
that's good. I
random.
like how that worked.
Huh.
Like, 'cause
Sounds
it's
a
like,
lot like you.
man, your chat is extremely
It only works
chaotic.
if you try and spend 1
All my
extra
chat's
point when you
doing is
have
just telling
0.
me to kill every
I don't think
single
there's a way
person
around
on the
that.
server I see and interact with that.
The globals don't
You
update
know, that's funny because
in real
when
time.
I'm on
Like you would have to. You
on
would have to
EverQuest, they're
click
always
again to
telling me
get
death
the
touch everybody.
other conditional to be read.
Maybe they're just worried about death touch. I don't know. They say death touch, and I can't.
So then I
help
say
it. gotta go.
finalize.
You know, so I'm just sitting
Tells
there
me
and
it's
I'm
worth
reading my
that
chat,
much.
and
It's going to
every time
cost me
I read
that.
it,
So
I
what
just go,
happens now if I just turn in
I'm
10
gonna need to
platinum?
talk to you guys about this later, aren't I? So
10
I'm
platinum
gonna
to it.
later and be like, now sit in fire for 8 minutes.
She didn't
It'll
say
be
anything, but she gave me the
finished.
platinum back.
I'm like, I'm not sitting in fire for 8 minutes. They're like, I think I saw stuff at the bottom of the
Which
lava
is
lake. I'm like, what am I gonna do
perfect.
at the bottom of the
I mean,
lava lake?
excuse me, she could say something.
It's the middle of a
Um,
lava lake, guys. I'm like, come on, go to the bottom of the lava pit. I'm like, fine, I'll go to the bottom of the lava pit. I'm like, there is nothing down here. Are you guys happy with yourselves? They're like,
That'll
no,
just be
now sleep
whisper.
in the nether. I'm like, I'm not sleeping in the nether. Come on, come on, come on. I'm not that
I'll
done.
be sleeping.
And they're like, please, please sleep
You
in the nether.
turn.
I was like, and they're like, please do it. It'll be very fun. I'm like, I don't want to sleep in the nether.
No.
I'm like, I will put all my stuff away. I will only do this because I need
You
to repair
can
this
have
pickaxe. And the
this.
only way I can repair it right now is by killing myself. So I will blow myself up.
Okay, now she's going to say
Now
that.
stop talking about me blowing myself up in the nether. And then I will build a grave on top of it. Just And I will not clean up the
If I
rest
hail
of
her at
this.
this point, what does she do?
Just despite everyone in chat.
She tells me to
Will be telling me
finalize.
repair my kit for the past 30 minutes.
Which, if I click, she should just tell me, yeah.
My pickaxe is on like.
When I
200
finalize, it doesn't
billion.
actually
It's fine.
write anything,
It's
right?
fine. It's like in the red. it's fine.
It's just
though.
doing a
It's fine.
shit ton of math. Yeah. And then setting what it costs. So I should have all this, which I do. So that's all working good.
Dying at all
Okay.
times. It is the funniest thing.
So if I turn in, well, we already know that doesn't work. But we're going to do it anyways. So let's
This
just
cat doesn't normally come like in the
Where's
fiery
Platinum?
costume.
Okay,
The cat was,
so-
like, the one not there. So cat decided to come in and just like sees my chat
it's
and
going to
goes,
read it.
Jeez.
It's going to set that I paid.
So this is what you deal with every time you stream. I'm like, yes it is. Yes it is. I deal
Which
with
is
the
what I-
voices
It's
in
exactly
my
what I
head
want to happen.
canonically, telling me to murder everything I see.
Want her to see that I've
It's
paid
terrible.
right now. That's all I need.
You decided
Need
all
her
the
to do
stream
anything
was
else.
canonical voices in
So
my
now
head,
she
and I
sees
just
that
did
I
chat.
paid.
And all my chat does is tell me
Paid,
to kill
boom.
people.
Which one did it delete there?
Plant is very light.
Mm.
It removed one,
My
right?
chat is
Which
like
one is that?
Techno's chat.
Yeah.
It's a Techno's chat chance.
Oh,
Black and black.
The cost, right.
Mine just
So she
chance.
no
Kill
longer
everything you
sees
see.
the cost. We'll fix this. This is all completely erroneous right now. It doesn't work.
Kill it. They saw my Strider and they went, kill it. And I went, no, I'm not killing my Strider.
Okay,
You need
so
not
yeah,
press
she
the
says
button.
that, but you know, it didn't
I think you
actually
should
fucking
kill it.
happen. This one did,
Because it lives.
so that's working. Didn't give me the ID,
That doesn't
item
give me enough reason.
ID, because the
It
log
lives.
ID
Kill it.
is not
That's a
defined
just kill
properly.
every thing. Yes, you can. Kill it.
Yeah, it's just doing it as item 1. That doesn't make any sense. It should be.
Pinnacle, my chat
It
is
should be
murder.
pulling down
Turn around and they're just talking about murder. and
this to
things.
get
It's
the item
terrible.
turned in. This is what we need here.
It's even
I am doing a
funnier.
million
This
connects
cat-
and not
this is cat's
disconnecting.
first time
I
actually
should fix
realizing
that.
how chaotic my chat was compared to like their
We'll fix that after.
stories.
Okay, so
Story's
this.
chat just tells them the art dog the entire stream, and then cat's chat just talks about
Let's do it. Okay.
music and stuff. And then my chat just talks about killing every person. And then my chat just talks
Oh no,
about
because
art
it should be
stuff.
getting the new ID for the item,
There are 3 different chats apparently.
not the
There's also the
not the
spamming
previous
chat,
one.
which
No, I'm wrong on
I
that.
think it's just gonna end up being my chat.
Where's that?
now. Or actually, maybe Tori's chat. They're gonna be spamming compliments.
Right,
Perhaps
so
if
it
you weren't
should
so
be.
chaotic, your chat wouldn't be so chaotic either.
Well, I'm fine with it, but it's really funny. Because compared to everyone else's, my chat is the most diverse thing.
Is that
It's like, everyone's chats are chill. Like, when Azure streams,
whatever.
Azure chat
That doesn't
is
matter
not
right now.
the
Fix
chat.
that.
And Cryptid's chat is really
Anyways,
chill, and
so-
also Pokemon the whole time.
Now she's set that I've paid,
And Azure
so I
chat
can go
is like,
back up
they
to
talk
tail.
about music and then compliment Azure. But also are chaotic in ways.
How do I want to structure
My chat just
this?
wants me to murder everyone, but be honest, it's just terrible. It's terrible and it's funny and it's great at the same
I
time.
can
and I don't
turn
like
this
that.
into an Elsa.
Okay. Okay, that one's done.
We'll put in
Every time
the
I turn around,
new
they
that
tell me
you've
to murder and water.
paid.
But I'm waiting for water. That one's very light.
Okay, and she's going to tell you.
Fine. Jumping up.
I like sitting there and thinking about how my chat
Wait.
goes and tells me to commit arson on the entire server.
Oh, down there, if I delete
Well,
the
there's like the
unspent
one other
points.
person in chat going, talking about how he can't stop the
Wait,
origin.
yeah, let's go back and let's just do it that way.
Very funny.
We don't need that.
Yes.
Huh?
Moderating
Oop.
sitting on top of
That'll be fine.
the pumpkin head.
If we
Oh,
delete the
those are
unspent points
No,
down
it's
there
your
when you
birthday party was
hand in,
in. I was hiding from
we're gonna delete
Mars.
the cost.
On a real.
Yes. Then it should automatically, whoops,
Fuck off.
automatically default into the else statement when you hail.
Oh no.
Because neither of these globals will be defined anymore, as they don't need to be. So that won't be there. Armor turned in can stay, because that'll be deleted when you redeem, which it's not yet, but we'll make it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Oh, I've got a flower
there.
right here.
So now that gets deleted. So does paid. That shouldn't be there anymore. And
Yeah.
I guess I have to delete all these.
They
as
don't usually
well.
flower at this time of year.
Man, that is a ridiculous amount of things that are going to be deleted
Yeah.
right here.
It's unusual for
It's
me
gonna
to
be
get
all of
flowers on
these.
my peace lilies at this time.
Hit points, regen, mana regen, endurance, AC, attack, strength, all those, resists, spell, heal, clairvoyance, of
There's a
course,
reason
combat
that in,
effects,
like, the
because those are the
next
ones
season
that are hard
I'm
to
playing
cap.
the villain because all my chat does
DS
is
points, because why the hell not? More damage shield, yeah.
see someone in
Wait,
person.
that one caps at 10, doesn't it? No, 20, something like that. What is the cap for that one? Maybe we shouldn't include that. Oops. My stats.
That looks like part of your stuff.
What is it? Says the cap is 70. Where's the damage shield?
That looks like part
Damage
of
shield
your stuff.
mitigation. It's pretty easy to hit that cap. Maybe we shouldn't do that. I'm gonna leave it in for now, but yeah, okay. So we gotta delete all those
quite a
globals at
while.
this
So
point.
like the first time they come back, it's just on my chat as being the most chaotic.
That's because you're probably the most
Oh,
chaotic.
what's
I
up?
honestly,
What's going
I am,
on?
which is why
Boop,
I put
monkey.
it in the next season.
Why are you sobbing?
Yeah, I'm meant to become the villain in the next season.
Give me a joke with some water in it.
But for now, we're only doing
I
this
play
one.
the
So
villain in the next season,
let's just
which is
Put
gonna be
an-
quite fun.
put a blank one there
I'm still trying to pick my
so that we know we gotta add the rest.
origin and stuff in
Later.
next season. So like, I don't know if I want to be like a pigman or like an enderman.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Both are really cool. I just don't know which one I want to commit to more.
Okay.
Somebody in chat said
I'm probably gonna choose pigman because
I know.
that's actually what my character is based
So-
around.
Okay,
So
Okay.
it would make
so when you turn in the money,
You want to choose
maybe it should delete this row.
Oh, there's not really like
It's not
downside
preparing
to it either.
anymore.
Or then, hey,
Because
you're a
you've
pigman,
You've finalized and
you
turned
move
in.
slow and the overworld. But like other than that, like it's not too bad.
This one here is dry.
Yeah, overall, like
If you're gonna stand around, all of these need to go into a compost container of some sort.
that's what you make though.
Yeah,
Hmm.
I'm gonna need that.
It's adding the stats onto the items, increasing the thing, deletes the globals, the
You know, every
insert
time I stream,
happens.
my chat
Maybe I
slowly
should
gets
fix
more and
this
more
now.
chaotic. It's very fun.
Oh. Give me a towel quick.
Because, uh-oh, quick, fast. It's not going to be named that. I don't know why we're... That doesn't really make sense there. That should probably just be a 0 because it's not defined yet.
Can you grab me an ice cream bucket there, Kay?
That feels like too much work for this morning.
And start putting the leaves on the floor.
Okay. Well, let's just, whoops.
Huh?
Ooh, a
Yep.
retell. Tempted. I'm just going to discard everything I did there.
The retail just started? I'm
Uh-oh.
totally tempted to go and log in.
Why, yeah.
I'm too lazy.
Discard.
Taking care of my plants.
So it should have got rid of. Oh. Well, of course it's not going to get rid of that one. That's crazy talk. Okay, we need test man to get rid of that. Good old test man.
I know what the plants feel when you take out all the dead things. It's like they're getting a new haircut.
He deleted that. This should be gone. These stay because they don't work right yet. And that nothing gets generated into that yet. I'm gonna fix that. Okay, well, we made excellent progress. I think I'm done for right now, though. I need to give my brain a rest and go over the rest of this in my head while I do something else for a little bit. I don't know. Honey, you want to do a retail? Taurus is shouting about a retail right now.
Sure, I'll switch over.
Okay, yes, please. Wait, we are coming if you haven't started.
Won't take me very long to get there, but it might take you a little longer.
I haven't seen the shout that it started. Okay, I'm camping out. I'll come back to this later. I need to give it a rest. Let everything stew. We made excellent progress today, which was great. We made the armor. The III gambling bag got created and scripted. We got to test that tomorrow after the reboot. Awesome. So far, so good. All right, so I'm going to end the stream here. We're going to do a retell, probably play some other games. And I'll come back to development later. Maybe I'll stream more. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Have a good day. We'll see you in game in a minute.